Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
See how this field looks like. Let me run this. Okay. Right. So you see, for Logan McTeal, how is the data looking? 22 years, 3 months and 19 days. Right. 22 years, 3 months, 19 days. Again, here we have 0 years for months, 16 days. Correct. Right. This is how we have the data. So I want to extract the number of years from this. Now it can be 22. It can be 0. It can be 100. I don't know, right? I have to extract the number of years. So what can we do to this? So we have to extract a part of it. Right, we have to extract a part of it. And what type of field is this? The length of service worker. What is the type of field? It is a text field. Isn't it? It is a text field. So I want to extract only a part of it. Which function? May I choose? Substring text. Right. Substring text because we are going to read only a part of it, a sub-portion of it. Yeah. So we are going to do substring text. So let's go here, create a field. Okay. And we will call it a CF, was of string text. Okay, and what are we trying to get? We are trying to get the years from length of service. Okay. And business object is worker. Because this data is stored in worker. Function is substring. Okay. Alright. Again, here a different thing. Substring text is the calculation. So as per the calculation, we have the parameters of calculations. So first it says the text field. What is the source text field? Which field are we doing? Yes. Length of service workers. Right. That is the field that we are going to substring. Okay. Now the substring type. We have multiple substring types here. One is after a delimiter. Before a delimiter, between two delimiters, and fixed position. Fixed position. If I choose fixed position, it asks, okay, what is a starting character position? When do you from which character you want to start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how long do you want to read? Or maybe you want to read in the end of the text. Okay. If you do not want to read in the end of the text, then you have to specify what is the length. Okay. So now let's say I want to read only the first two characters. Then yes, it is a fixed position. Right. Now remember the other example that we saw, where we were creating a calculated field like, let me see if I can find it quickly. I don't have it anymore. Okay, so let's say this one right. I said Logan McNeil. And I Logan from Logan McNeil. I wanted to have L McNeil or maybe LSCN. Right. And what were we trying to do? First character of the first day. 3 characters of the last name. So how do we get the first character of the fourth phase? Right. So it will be a fixed position. A subscreen, but a fixed position. From 1, you will read 1. Okay. If it was the last name, 3 characters of the last name, then you would see the starting character position is 1, but number of the length is 3. Okay. But here we are going to do. Which option are we going to take? Before a delimiter, right? Before a delimiter. If you remember the way the data was presented, you would see that what was the way the data was presented? Right here, right? "10 years, 4, 1, 60, 1 year, 10 months and 30 days, right? 22 years, 4 months, 20 days, something like this. I want only the first few. I mean the first number. So you are saying before a delimiter. And what is the delimiter? What will be our delimiter? Okay. If we choose comma, that is only one number. 10, 1 and 2 and 22. Single space space. So I want only the space. Okay. The delimiter would be space. There are 3 research with space. What happens? There is something called as a single space, right? A single space. What is a single space field? It is a work that delivered field. So it is used to insert a single space character into a string built up with concatenate whatever. Blah, blah. But basically this is actually going to help us with the space. Okay. Single space. Now the direction. In which direction are we going to read our string? From left to right or right to left forward? In this case, in this particular example, we are going to read it forward. Now, depending on your default, this option is chosen. Remove leading and trailing spaces. If at all, there are some leading and trailing spaces that will be automatically removed. So nice. Let's do it. Years from length of service, right? Again before we proceed, what is the output type of a substring text? What type of file are we going to do? What type of field are we going to do? Is it going to be numeric or is it going to be text? No text. Sorry. Sorry. Text. Right. It is going to be a text field, because substring text always returns a text type of field. Isn't it? So we are going to get a text field. Now remember that. I will ask you later as well. Okay, so just remember that. What do you just say? So it is going to be a text field. Fine, let's add it to our report. And let's also add it to our filter. Right, because our ultimate objective was to find out workers who have spent more than 5 years with the organization. Right, who have more than 5 years of service. So let's do it like this. Years from the length of service. And let's give it like this. Years of service. And can we do a filter based on that? Right. So let's try to give a filter. Fields on the report. We have just added years from the length of service. And frequently used, greater than or equal to.